Going to learn about some basic concepts of graph. So you all know this x-axis, this y-axis, straight line. You all know this graph is equal to y equal to x. This line equation is y equal to x. So what does the line represent? It represents the locus of this all points. Suppose take a point, this coordinate. This coordinate is 1, 1, comma 1. This coordinate is 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 satisfies this equation. For y equal to 1, x is also equal to 1. So every point in this line satisfies this equation. So the equation of this line is y equal to x. It gives the idea about the path of this line. It gives the idea about this path of this line, the equation. Now we in calculus we need to know some basic graphs like y equal to mod x, y equal to step x, fraction y equal to fraction part of x, y equal to step x, y. These three are important graphs in calculus. Important graphs in calculus. So now let us go into the topics. We'll first write the equation of y equal to mod x. What is meant by y equal to mod x? Y equal to mod x means that y for x less than 0 minus x, for x greater than 0 x. That means suppose x equal to minus 1, then what is the value of y? Y equal to mod of minus 1, which is 1. This mod operator will create a minus if the inside value of x is minus. So here inside value of x is minus 1, so it creates minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus will become plus, so it will become 1. Suppose x equal to minus 2. Now y equal to mod of minus 2. And inside we have a negative value, negative x, so give it will multiply this negative value with minus 2, so which will give 1. So if you take y x equal to 2, y equal to mod of 2, inside value is positive, so x will give a positive 1 into positive 2, so which is gives to 2. So if the value of x is negative, it will multiply with a minus 1. If the value of x is positive, it will multiply with a plus 1. So this is the definition of mod x. Now we will try to compute the graph of mod x. Now take the graph. So you all know if y equal to, for x less than 0, which is minus x, for x greater than 0, x. We'll take x positive region. X positive region is this side. Here first quadrant is y positive and x positive, and fourth quadrant is y negative, x positive. Now for x positive region, y equal to x. Now this is the x positive region. This whole region is x positive region. Now for this region, the whole thing is a, so for this region the equation of mod x is y equal to x, so it will give y equal to x. Now for x negative region, we will go through x negative region then. X negative region, this region is x negative, y positive, and this region is x negative, y negative. Now for y, for x greater than 0, it is x. For x less than 0 it is minus x. Now the equation for x less than 0 is y equal to minus x. Now y equal to minus x, we will plot y equal to the equation of y equal to minus x is this. So we will merge these two, which in, we will merge this graph and this graph to get, so to create a y equal to mod x graph. So the new y equal to mod x graph will become, for x less than 0 it is y equal to minus x. For x greater than 0 y equal to x. So for x less than 0 y equal to minus x. For x greater than 0 y equal to x. Now this is the graph. Now we'll take another graph. Now we'll take the graph of y equal to step mod x, step x. We will take the graph of y equal to step x. Now take the step x function. Now what is mean by step x? Let us first know what is mean by step x. This is called step x. These two square brackets is called step of x. Now what mean by step x? Suppose take x equal to 2.33. Now for x equal to 2.33, y value will become 2.33, step of 2.33. The value will become 2. Step x will cancel all these all the numbers which are left right side of decimal points. Now it will cancel all these decimal points and it will give an only an integer value. So for step x, suppose let us take for x greater than 0 and x equal to 1, x less than or equal to 1, x greater than or equal to 0, x equal to 1. That means x from 0 to 0.999999. So for this whole thing the value of y will become 0, because step of 0.999, so many nines. This whole thing will be cancelled by step x and will give y equal to 0. So this value is 0. Now for x less than or equal to 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Now for x less than x less than or equal to x less than 2 and x greater than or equal to 1. So for a whole this value, the value will become 1, because for 1 this graph, this interval is 1 to 1.99999, whose value of step x is 1, so it will become 1. So for x equal to 2, 2 less than 3, it will become 3, so on, like this graph will continue. Now we'll talk about step x when x is less than 0. For x less than 0, suppose take minus 0.1, which is for minus 0.1, here 0.1, minus 0.1, here minus 1. Suppose here minus 0.1 and here minus 1. Now for x less than 0, the value of step of minus x will become minus of step x minus 1. This is the condition for step x for less than 0. If you want to think about suppose take 0 here 1. For x 0 to, when we are approaching to this side, the value of step x will be becoming to approaching to 0. Suppose take 1 to 2. When we are approaching from 1 to 2, the value of step x will becoming 1, right? So same method, if we are approaching from minus 1 to 0, the value of step x will become minus 1. So step of my 0.1 minus 1, which is, otherwise take it is as a formula for step x, for x less than 0, step x is minus of step x minus 1. Now minus of 0.1 minus 1, so my step of 0.1 is 0, minus of 0 minus 1, which is minus 1. So for x less than 0, for x less than 0, step step of minus x is equal to minus of step x minus 1, right? And now take this as an example. So for, so take now we'll plot the graph for x 0 to 1. For x 0 to 1, the value of step x, for for 0 to 1 the value is, up to 1 the value is 0. For x equal to 1, for exactly x equal to 1, the value is becoming 1. Here is the 1. So now after that it will go to, for x 1 to 2, so it will go like this. For exactly x equal to 2, the value of this function will become 2. So we need to keep an open bracket and we need to keep a dot, because for this, for this x equal to 2, y equal to 2. Now take this is, now like this it will go on. So as you can see that it is like a steps, it is increasing, so it is called as step function. That's why it is called as step function. Now we come for let us draw the value of step function graph for x less than 0. For x less than 0, step value is always minus 1. For x less than 0, step value y also less than 0, because for x, for every x less than 0, y is becoming negative negative. So for all x less than 0, y also is less than 0. Now we'll take for 0 to minus 1, 0 to minus 1, for x equal to 0 0, and it will be open bracket. For minus 1 to minus 2, it is, this one is minus 1. For minus 1 to minus 2, the value is becoming open bracket. It is, so it is increasing like this way. It's a steps which is increasing in this way. It is increasing in this way. So we come to know the step x function. Now we'll go to know, we'll go into the part of fraction part of x, fraction part of x. Y equal to fraction part of x. Now for y equal to fraction part of x, what is fraction part of x? Fraction part of x is x minus step x. That is, suppose for x equal to 2.33, 2.33 minus step of 2.33 is 2, which is 0.33. Now fraction part of will cut the integer part and will use only decimal part. That's why it is called as fraction part of x. So this is a fraction part. Now we'll try to compute the graph. So for x 0 to 1, so y equal to x minus step x. Fraction part of x is y equal to x minus step x. Now for x 0 to 1, the value of x is 0. Step value of step x is 0. So y equal to x. For x 0 to 1, the value of x is y equal to x. Now for x 1 to 2, the value is x minus 1. So this graph will go on like this. So y equal to x minus 2. It's a collection of all these lines. Now we'll try to draw the graph. Now for x 0 to 1, y equal to x. Here the open bracket. For x equal to 1, fraction part of x is 0. It will go here. That means for x equal to 1, here y equal to x, right? For exactly for x equal to 1, the fraction part of x is right. For x equal to 1, the fraction part of 1, which it does not contain any integer part, so it is written as 0. So it is 0. Now take again. Now take this graph y. Now for x equal to 1 to 2, 1 to 2, y equal to x minus 2, y equal to x minus 1, sorry, y equal to x minus 1. 1 to 2, it is x minus 1. So it will touch x axis at 1 and it will go on like this and it will become, because it's a parallel line to y equal to x. It is a line parallel to all y equal to x. Now same goes like this for 3, so on. For suppose we'll take x less than 0, y equal to x minus step x. For x less than 0, suppose x equal to 0 to minus 1 to 0. Now the y will become x plus 1. So it will become y equal to, it's a suppose it will touch x axis at x equal to minus 1. It will touch x axis at x equal to minus 1 and it will go like this and it will have open bubble at here. Same here also, x equal to minus 2. So it will go on like this. All these lines are parallel to y equal to x. This line and this line are parallel, this line and this line is parallel, this line and this line is parallel. All these lines are parallel to y equal to x. That is y equal to step of y equal to fraction part of x graph. Now we will try to draw some more graphs. Now let us try to draw the graph of step of x mod of x minus y 5. Suppose let us for drawing a graph, first we need to find where it touches the axes. For y equal to 0, x equal to 5. For x equal to 0, y equal to 5, right? For x equal to 0, y is mod of minus 5, which is 5. For x equal to y equal to 0, which is for y equal to 0, x is a mod of minus 5. For y equal to 0, x is 5, right? For if you substitute x equal to 5, y will become 0. Now take the graph, plot the points. It contains 5 comma 0, 0 comma 5. Now so it touches this line, so let us draw this line. Now it touches this line, but this is not the full equation, this is not the line equation of this is not the full graph of this equation. We need to draw more graph, because for suppose let us take x equal to 6, y equal to mod of 6 minus y. We doesn't need mod because it is already a positive number. 6 minus y, which is a plus 1, which is already a positive number, so it will always a positive value. So it will go like this. So it is x equal to, for x equal to 6, y equal to 1. X equal to 6, y equal to 1. Now take for x equal to 7, y equal to 2. So we'll join these 3 points, so it is the graph of this function. So the total graph is this and this. It's a v-shaped graph. Always the mod function is a v-shaped graph. Now let us I'll show you a different method to draw these graphs. Y equal to x minus 1. As you all know that generally for mod x greater than 0, substitute this x minus y with capital X, y equal to mod of capital X. For mod capital X greater than 0, the equation is minus of for x. For mod capital X is greater than 0. For capital X is less than 0, the equation is minus x. Now what is capital X minus 5? X minus 5 is greater than 0, so x is greater than 5. For x greater than 5, the value of this line is x minus 5. For x less than 5, the value of x is 5 minus. The value of y is 5 minus x. Now let us draw in the graph. For x greater than 5, y equal to x minus 5. For x less than 5, y is 5 minus y 5 minus x. Now this is a 5 x 5. For x 5 less than 5, this is the region of x less than 5. This whole region is x less than 5. Now this whole region is x less than 5. So for this region, the equation is x minus y, y equal to x minus y, which can be written as x minus y equal to 5. Now the equation of this is, it will go right. For sorry, I have written wrong. Now let us try to draw the graph. For x greater than 5, y is x minus y. For x less than 5, y is x minus 5, 5 minus x. Now let us try to draw the graph. This is the point 5 comma 0. This region is y x less than 5. This region is x greater than 5. Y equal to 5 minus x. So the equation will look like x plus y equal to 5. Then the equation is looking, then this line equation of this graph is look, it will be this and 5 for x minus 5 is, and the equation of x minus 5 for x greater than 5 is like this. So this is the graph of y equal to mod of x minus 5. Similarly you can draw for step of x minus a or fraction part of a. x minus c. Now try to draw these graphs as homework. Thank you for watching.